Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So after we came back from Macau, we rested for a bit and then came to Legoland, and it was a rainy day again in Hong Kong, but we were so excited to go to Legoland because Shivan has started to like it so much. So as you enter, this is the entrance, and we had pre-booked our slots for 2 o'clock. So this was the waiting area. There are a lot of Legos, lot of photo booths were made for the kids to enjoy and get engaged. So I made the kids eat lunch here because we did not eat and come, and we were not hungry, so we skipped the lunch. Then we entered. Our slot was at 2 o'clock. So as soon as you enter, you see everything made of Lego, and I was amazed. Oh my god! I thought Lego is just a toy, but no, they had made entire cities, water bodies, and what not with the Lego. So I was amazed to see that. Clicked a few pictures and the
यहाँ
videos here
देखो
for you
पहले
guys
पूरा
to
लेगो
see
है।
and for us to see later when
ये
we
सब कुछ
watch
लेगो
this
से
as
बना है।
memories. So it was a very nice experience. I was thinking that what will we do here and how long we are going to be here. So it was not planned, but we were here there for like good 3 hours. So kids were playing this game. There was a game where you can just press and the racing starts. So even this clock tower was made by Lego. So I was surprised. So there was a huge Lego station inside. So there were different stations where seating was there, and you can make Legos there. They had given the photos as well. So according to your difficulty level, if you do that. So they had a ride also. They had a coffee shop. They had a soft play area for the small kids as well. So this was the another area where had another stations were there, and this was the soft play area for the kids. My kids did not go here at all. They were obsessed with this bike, so they played a lot with this bike, clicked a lot of pictures, and then we made a lot of Lego, seeing the pictures which was given, and then we played this racing game as well, which is fun. Then we went to see a movie as well, which was being played. So first we took this train ride because the movie was 15 minutes after this. So we took this train ride wherein you have to play, and you can do a laser tag kind of a game here. So this was very nice experience for the kids, and even we were enjoying. I was very happy doing this because it was a
ये देखो मैंने
long
शूट
time
किया।
that I had done this. I had went to Universal Studios and Sentosa in Singapore. That was in 2015, like 9 years back. So this
ये
was a
पत्थर क्यों
very
मारो?
nice experience to play and be free. There was no load of any getting up in the early or going for work or finishing your work. So it was just a chill vacation wherein a lot of different activities were done, and it was not like a beachy vacation. We were just chilling by the beach and all of that. So we did this, and it was
ये
like
देखो
a
मम्मा
10
ने सब कुछ
minute
शूट कर दिया।
or 8
ये
minutes
ब्लैक
train
वाली को
ride. It
शूट
was
करो
all
शिवान।
included in the package. So we are also pre-booked our Legoland. You can come here and take the tickets as well. I saw a lot of people coming and booking their tickets here. But as I told you, we had booked
शूट
everything
शूट शूट।
prior because I was coming with the kids and I didn't want any hassle. Sorry for this clip. There was a light thing which was not there during our train ride, and then we went for the movie. So the movie actually was in Chinese language. So we didn't enjoy it as much as we wanted to, but yeah. So we just went for a few minutes. We sat for like 5 to 7 minutes, and then as soon as we realized we are not enjoying it, all of us left because I didn't wanted my kids to forcefully watch something which I am not interested in. Obviously, how will they understand? So we did
स्पाइडर
not do
शिवान
that.
कितने बड़े बड़े
So
स्पाइडर
you
और
can
बैट्स
see
हैं।
the clips here of the
ये
train
एक
ride.
है
I
देखो,
had
एक में से
documented
निकल रहा है
everything
देखो।
in detail so that you guys can watch. And then when you go next time, you can also plan in this one in one of your day trips to Hong Kong.
आपका है।
This was Sam. He was enjoying the glasses. He took the glasses, and please make your kids wear full sleeves when you go here because the AC here was crazy. I don't know, for some reason they had made it like so harsh that after one point of time I was feeling like this completely hot. So that was one thing, and yeah, a lot of people came. There were a lot of Americans, a lot of Europeans, I believe, but it was a 3-day movie, I think nobody was understanding because of the language, but the kids were enjoying because they were a little older. My kids were small, so we came back to playing. We spent a good amount of time here, and then we found this another small cozy play area where Sam had a slide. There was a soft play. There was a train again. There were Legos, and when you beep this flower, a sound comes from the hen and the sheep. So Sam was enjoying this, and me and Shivan meanwhile went for this ride. Sumit was taking care of Sam, so I thought why not do this ride, and both of us were enjoying. It was a very nice ride though. And from here we planned to go to M Plus Museum because I wanted to see the Japanese art, but it was closed 2 3 years 2 3 months back, I guess. So we just stayed here for 15 20 minutes. You're supposed to be silent when you're here, and my kids were not, so we left after 20 minutes from here after seeing the museum. We were hungry because we did not eat lunch, so we went for this N1 cafe where we had one tiramisu, one sandwich, which was okayish. The tiramisu was good, and then we went to this place called Sarvana Pure Veg. So we found this in the same complex where we had the Moti Mahal next to our hotel Holiday in Simshasri. We had idli dosa.